What is it, guys? Today we will be doing the Math Magic project using Java. Now, before I do get into it, I hope that you'll subscribe if I'm putting out good value content. And yeah, let's get into it. So, in this project, you will become a math magician and write a small program that performs a mathematical magic trick. It will involve performing arithmetic operations on any integer that you choose. The instructions provided are general guidelines. Upon completion of the project, feel free to explore the code on your own. If you get stuck during the project or would like to see an experienced developer work through it, click Get Unstuck to see the walkthrough video. Okay? So let's do it. So create an int variable called mynum, set it equal to any integer other than 0. So we'll do int my number equals 21. Done. Okay. We will refer my number as the original number from now on. It might be helpful to document this. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and put original number. Okay. Write a comment in the program that documents this. Okay, done. Create an int called step1 to set it equal to the original number multiplied by itself. So we'll do int, we'll do step1 equals my number times my number. Cool. Create an int called step2 and set it equal to the previous result plus the original number. Okay, so we'll put int step2 equals step1 plus my number. Okay. Just so we know, step 1, so step 2. Alright. Now create a new variable called step 3 and set it equal to the previous result divided by the original number. Okay. So we'll do step 3. So int step 3 equals step 2 divided by my number. Done. Okay, now we're on to step 4. Step 4. Set it equal to the previous result. Okay, so int step 4 equals step 3, okay, plus 17. Okay. Okay, and then it says create an int called step 5. So in step 5, and we'll do int step 5 and set it equal to the previous result. So step 4 minus the my number, okay. Done. Now step 6. Okay, step 6. Step 6, we have int step 6 equals set it to step 5 divided by 6. Okay. And now finally print it out. Okay, so we did this. Let's go ahead and print out the value of the last step. Okay. So I'm actually excited for this because this looks fun. Print line. Then we'll print out step 6 here. Okay. So print out 3. Okay. Now go back to your code and change my number to any other integer. Run your program again. Is the output the same? Okay, let's try 10. Still prints out 3. That's crazy. That is nuts, bro. That is actually nuts. That's crazy. You do all this to get 3 in the end. That is actually pretty nice. Great job completing. Want to keep challenging yourself? Recreate this project using only 2 variables, my number and magic number. Use your understanding of compound assignment operators to create the above program by only manipulating magic number. So that's how you can really advance it, but I'm going to end it here. This was really fun. I do enjoy it. So we're gonna quickly just comment like what this program does, so that people know. So right, this program prints out 3 no matter what your original number is. Magic. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this, and that is going to end the video. I'll see you guys in the next video.